Hey everybody! In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a brand new Gmail account in just a few minutes. So whether you're on phone or computer, let's just get started. You can start by opening up your browser. And once you open up browser, you can go over to accounts.google.com. After that, type in /signup and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take you to this page where you need to enter up your basics details first of all. Just go over and enter it up, and right below it, your first and last name, and click on next. Once you click on next, you need to go ahead and provide in your birth date. So provide in your month, your day, and then your year. Just go ahead and provide it. After that, select up your gender and click on next. Once you do so, you need to create up a Gmail address. So you can choose your Gmail address. For example, I would like to do so, and you can click on next. Now what you need to do is set up a strong password, use at least 8 characters, numbers, and symbols, and go ahead and tap on next. So enter it up. After you do so, you need to verify your phone number. You need to provide in your phone number in the section. You can select a big country code from where you belong. After that, provide in your phone number and just go ahead and click on next. After you click on next, you just need to go ahead and accept the Google terms and conditions. And once you do so, you'll be finding your Google account being successfully created. And now you can start using your new Gmail account. You can just go over and do so. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that if you want to go ahead and create up your new Gmail account. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.